Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the founder of Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the March 2022 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Garden Party, perfect for the beginning of spring. The first thing you'll see is this month's info card. This just tells you everything that comes in the crate as well as where it came from. And then it also has a QR code that will take you to your collection of digital downloads that are included with your subscription. And I'll tell you more about those at the end. Next, we have this month's 5x7 art print. This was designed by art teacher and artist Kayla Koslow. It says, a beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. Great reminder to yourself in the morning or to your students. Next, we have one of this month's wearable items. They are these super cute daisy enamel earrings. These are a Teacher Care Crate exclusive. Of course, these are nickel free. Very cute for in the classroom or out of the classroom. Next, we have a laptop sticker. This is from Shine Pixel Studio. It is a light bulb because I know we all love those light bulb moments as teachers with flowers inside, and it says inspire. Next, we have a wooden sign or coaster. This is from Cabin 20 Creations, and it's double-sided. On the one side, it says your best is enough, and on the other, it says let yourself rest. So you can use this as a coaster. I also grabbed this little easel from our January crate to show how you could display it like that as well, just on your desk or whatever, or you could use it as a coaster or display it however you want. Next, we have a shower steamer. If you're a longtime subscriber to Teacher Care Crate, you probably know about these. Sort of like a bath bomb, but for your shower. So you place the shower steamer on the floor away from the direct stream of water, and you just sprinkle a little water on it as you shower, and it lets out a really relaxing smell. This is from the Salty Soap Co., and it is their lavender calming blend. Next, we have our other accessory. Whenever we have earrings in Teacher Care Crate, I also include another accessory because I know not everyone has pierced ears. So this is a little coin pouch. This is something we've never featured in Teacher Care Crate before. I'm excited about. Like if you have a small bag for spring, or like I know I've started wearing a fanny pack a lot, you can't always fit a full-size wallet. So something like this is great. You can fit your license or teacher ID in the front, and then any of the cards you need or cash inside the pocket here. And then there's even a keychain if you want to just put your key on it. So you can just grab this or go, or put it in a small bag, or you could even attach it to your lanyard if you need something to hold your ID during the day. Next, we have these smoothing foot socks. So what these are kind of like a sheet mask that we include a lot for your face, but for your feet. So perfect with spring coming up if you're getting ready to bust out those sandals. Not quite here in Chicago. We've got a little while, but in some places. So these are just a really nice, relaxing way to treat your feet. And then we have this month's treat. As it starts to warm up, I can't feature chocolate anymore, so I'm just hoping to sneak this one in before it gets too hot. This is the Honey Bar Junior from Small Business Bees and Beans, and this is a honey, caramel, and hazelnut nougat dipped in dark chocolate. Okay, so in addition to all the items that come in your physical crate, you'll also get those digital downloads like I mentioned. If you're a current subscriber, those go out to you on the first of each month by email, and then if you sign up after the first, you'll get an email within 24 hours, and then you also have the QR code on your info card. So this month that includes 7 desktop wallpapers, again, keeping with our garden party theme. There's also a collection of printable like pennant banners. I already printed one and prepped one behind me. There are 3 different patterns, and then it includes ones with letters and editable as well, so you can make it say whatever you want. You know, if you want to just say welcome or hello spring, happy birthday, you can use in your classroom or your home. And then last, we have this collection of teacher to-do lists that are printable, and I have a few different versions of these, weekly ones, a prep planner, and what's nice about having these as a download is that you can just print as many as you want, try them out, see what works for you. So that's everything that comes in the crate. You've got your digital downloads, your smoothing foot socks, coin pouch, Honey Bar Junior. I'm excited to eat that after this is filmed. Little daisy earrings. I might put those on also. Shower steamer. Wooden sign that can also be used as a coaster, double-sided. laptop sticker, your art print, and your info card. So if you have not already subscribed, you can head to teachercarecrate.com to subscribe by March 14th, and your March Teacher Care Crate will ship by March 15th. Thanks for watching.